time's about 6:30 in the morning, so I just reached KLIA 2. So yeah, today I'm flying to Penang. It's just me. I'm going alone. I just want to walk around and see stuff because it's been like more than 10 years since I've been there. So I'm gonna bring you guys there. Alright guys, let's go. Okay guys, just got in with everything, the boarding pass, everything is done. So now I'm just getting on the flight. See you guys there. Okay guys, so time is about, last time is it? It's 9, yeah, I can't get it in focus. It's about 9:15, so I just reached like 10 minutes ago and I'm super hungry, so I'm just gonna eat this. You guys see you in a while. What's up guys, so time's about 9:30. Okay. So I just got done with my dinner. Hey guys, so I'm in this food court. So I waited like half an hour, just half an hour for this kway teow. So let's see how it tastes. So yeah, I didn't vlog much in the morning because I was super tired. So let me just walk you guys through it. So first I went to Khanna's bamboo biryani, then had my brunch kind of thing. Actually it's a lunch lah because I had breakfast. So after that I went to Queensway Mall, just walked around and stuff, and I just walked around. Then I decided to come back because I was super tired. So came back, had a good sleep. Then I woke up like an hour ago, so I went down to the food court here to grab a quick char kway teow. It was superb. I would give like an 8 out of 10. It was damn good. Then now back in the room, so maybe tomorrow I'll do the room tour because it's kind of messy right now. So the plan tomorrow is I'm not sure, but I want to go, maybe I will go like Gurney Drive, something, I'm not too sure. So stay tuned guys, see you guys tomorrow, peace out. Good morning guys, so time's about it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, so I had a good sleep. Now the plan is I'm gonna go have my breakfast, and then I'm not so sure, but you guys make sure to stick with me, okay? I'll bring you somewhere. Alright guys, see you while. Hi guys, so I had my quick breakfast. Now I'm at Penang Avatar Secret Garden. I didn't go for the Gurney Drive because this one was nearer to me. So actually this place was all about the lighting and stuff, that's why I wanted to come here. It's in the morning, there are no lights here for now. I don't think so I can come at night also because I'm having a bit problem with my transport and everything. So this is how the place looks in the morning. So make sure you guys enjoy the B-roll. Peace out guys. so time is about 2:10, so I just came to meet up cafe. It's in Nago Place. So guys, before coming to the, let me get my focus first, right? Alright, so before going to this meet up cafe, actually I went to the alley. Yeah, I went there first, but the queue was very long, so I decided not to go there, and I went to this meet up cafe to have my chocolate drink. But still, I did go to the alley and try out their drink, but I don't know. This is the footage, guys. See it. Hey, what's up guys? Sekarang kita dekat di LA. So hari tu pergi try dekat Penang. Queue sampai kat luar, so tak edit. So I just came cuman to try. So let's see the review lah. Echa review sikit Echa. Echa gelak lah. Cepat Echa. Review sikit. Apa yang kau ada? Cakap lah dulu. Aduh, susah.
Kau tak boleh buat review.
Tak.
Tak reti lah, kau tengok di sini.
Okay.
Okay. Tak tahu sebut je.
Apa nama air? Dark chocolate.
Tengoklah apa punya. Aku tak ada skill lah. Suruh aku buat dah.
Di Eriko dark chocolate. Okay. So?
Rasa dia macam coklat biasa je. Rasa dia punya...
Dia rasa dia Ellie lah. Dia tak rasa Dilan. Dia pure dia Ellie. Minum pun tak itu kan.
Nofal dah try hari tu. So kita try minta review dia pula.
Dia ni macam baju lah. Draw panjang.
Rasa dia... Bro dia... Sikit daripada berdekat blok. Jadi
Dia ni kecil sebab dia terlampau.
Bodoh. So itu dia guys, review di alley daripada kita orang. T-Life for life lah. Peace out guys. So that's my review about the alley. Alright guys, so back to the video. So I came here to have like a chocolate, and then I ordered this chicken chop. The chocolate is very good, except for the chicken chop it costed me about $26, and the taste sucks. I didn't even take a picture of it because the taste was very bad, and I don't know, the quantity was very small. So if you guys ever come here, please do try the drink. It's very good, but don't ever try the chicken chop. You guys, I'm not sure where I'm going next, but stick with me. See you guys. What's up guys? So I'm back in the hotel. Something happened. Yeah, I wanted to try the Din Maju Nasi Kandar. I'm not sure Din Maju, Din Nasi Kandar, I don't know what. So okay, after I had my meal at the cafe there, so I went to the Gurney Plaza because it was very near. So I wanted to buy some souvenirs, so I bought, and then I planned on having my nasi kandar because it was very famous. So I called my friend, and she said the Din Maju nasi kandar is the best. So I wanted to try, so I went there, and the queue was like very long. It was like, I think it was like in a queue for an hour or 2 hours. Yeah, the queue was literally outside of the shop. So I decided not to go because I had to return my car by 5 at that time. So yeah, so basically what I did, I returned my car and I came back to the hotel. So later dinner, I won't be having car, so I'm just gonna have something quick down there. I'm not sure what. So for now, I'm just gonna take a quick nap and see you guys later. Peace out guys. That wraps up my whole Penang trip kind of vlog. Hope you guys like that, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. So make sure to leave a like and make sure you guys subscribe my channel. Okay, see you guys the next time. Peace out guys.